Alright, listen up, cosmetic formulators. If you're ready to stop blending in and start leading the beauty revolution, this is your moment. Personalized cosmetics are the future, and I'm here to show you how to master them from the inside out. Think custom skincare and makeup, tailored precisely to every unique skin type, concern, and tone. No more one-size-fits-all. With AI-driven skin diagnostics and next-level consumer profiling, you'll craft products so spot-on your clients will think they're magic. Imagine blending powerhouse actives like niacinamide, retinoids, or peptides into modular formulas, then wrapping them in luxurious textures and bespoke scents. You're not just making a cream, you're creating an experience. But look, it's not all about the glamour, is it? You need to keep your formulation stable, your ingredients compatible, and your products ticking every regulatory box. That's where this training comes in. In this training, you'll master first. You'll dive into AI skin analysis so your products always hit the mark. No more guesswork, just straight up precision. Second, you'll nail every formula, every single time. Learn to blend actives and textures that aren't just effective but genuinely feel personal to the consumer. Third, you'll tackle regulations like a pro. From global compliance to labeling and claims, you'll breeze through the red tape and get your brand market ready with confidence. Fourth, you'll discover how to scale your personalized products, keeping the magic alive whether you're hand-pouring small batches or automating for growth. And finally, you'll make your brand the talk of the beauty world. Stand out with bespoke products that consumers can't stop raving about. If you're an R&D chemist, a product formulator, a supplier, a regulatory manager, or a graduate with your eyes on the beauty prize, this is designed for you. We'll break down the whole journey, from collecting consumer data and conceptualizing products, to hands-on formulation, safety, compliance, scaling, and troubleshooting. Plus, best practices and a Q&A to answer everything you've ever wanted to know. This is your chance to redefine beauty formulation and build a brand that's ahead of the curve. Don't just keep up. Lead the way with personalized cosmetics that sell. Ready? Let's elevate your craft and make your mark on the future of beauty. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. Also, check out our newly launched OnlyTRAININGS Academy for thousands of on-demand online courses.